Oh, Valentine's Day. You know, as much as you try to avoid Cupid's arrows, one of them's gonna hit you eventually. Welcome to the Love Bytes VR Jam. This year, our theme is gonna take us on a journey from the starts of romance and attraction all the way to when you're settled down and watching The Office for the 20th time in a row. We're talking about a theme that'll have you tackle things like those awkward first DMs to putting IKEA furniture together. A theme that after every stage you have to face a boss bigger than the last one, but together with the power of love, you're able to defeat it. From beginning to end, love is a turbulent journey, but you know what? We think you can handle it, and that's why this year's theme is the stages of love. Whether you're a beginner or you are new to VR development, hop right in. You have a week long to submit something and see if you can craft the roller coaster that is love into a fun, interesting experience. Good luck, game devs. The stages of love are coming for you, and I'll see you in the game jam. Bye-bye.